No one recognized you.
She honked at me. She recognized me.
No, she's telling you to go. She can your parking spot.
Hello everybody, long time no see. I can't believe it's already June. Where has the time gone? I'm finishing up my master's degree right now, and my final project is going to be about family reunions. So if there's anybody out there right now currently looking for somebody, please send me an email or write me a message on Facebook with all the information you have. And maybe, just maybe, we can go on this journey together. Let's go pick up Valerie right now. Oh wait! Actually, I wanted to tell you guys something. I didn't know how to, present this. But I picked up a new hobby. Well, not necessarily new, but I did it when I was a kid. Gardening. I love gardening. I've been getting into the succulents recently. It's great to just go out, find a rare one, a plant that looks like it's from outer space, from another world maybe, and then repot it, give it a new pot, a bigger pot, and then watch it grow. I've also been really into the air plants. Air plants are amazing. I've gotten a lot of my friends and my family. Hopefully I'll get Valerie into them as well. There's a really amazing place nearby, I think within maybe like 10-12 miles from me, that produces a lot of air plants. So I want to take you guys there today, and then I want to take Valerie there too. But yeah, so that's something new with me. I'm getting old. Yeah. Alright, let's go get Valerie right now. Join me on what's gonna be a pretty good day, I think. Oh, Valerie is back. So we sat down and they recognized us. Hey, but do you recognize her?
No.
I haven't seen Valerie in almost 2 years.
She speaks more Vietnamese now.
And she speaks way more Vietnamese now. It's amazing. Her Vietnamese is starting to be better than mine.
It's like so like cặp lóc vào, because I couldn't say it. Now it's like more smooth, I guess.
Hello. Hi, chào cô. Hi. Don't you miss the camera being on you at all times?
No, not really.
Yeah, but Cococane, yeah.
Very humid in here.
Yeah, it's a rainforest. This intermedia plant goes all the way up to the roof. This thing is probably 50 years old at least. At least. And you see how it grows, right? It just keeps branching off.
Yeah.
And branching and keeps going, and it flowers right here. It's all glued down, and then the roots start attaching. Well, this one's not glued down, but their roots attach over time. They're very affordable, right? Like something like that, $5, $3. This one's a little bit rare. That's why it's 15. They're called trichomes, right?
Trichomes?
And they're used to deflect sunlight, and they're used to absorb water. So this plant is actually found in the high mountains of Peru, so you don't have to water it as much.
He knows more than me.
No, not really.
So he got obsessed.
I
with
got
this.
obsessed, yeah.
And
That's
then-
what my wife said too. Dad, you've got OCD on these plants.
No, seriously, it is OC. Your new hobby begins.
Yes.
Look how beautiful this is, guys. Wow. The rotten one's like vang da lac, like rú nho. It's like strawberry wine for the rotten ones. Those are my favorite. I'm just eating all the rotten ones. I actually like the rotten one. It's bright red, but like, it's not looking too good. I don't think there was a rule about not eating them out here, but most people don't because of sanitary reasons, but I don't care. So I think a lot of people are probably gonna wonder, like, where have you been, Valerie? Where have you gone? Why weren't you in my life for all this time?
I was busy.
Well, Valerie was in San Jose,
Yes.
working for a while.
I was trying to do the adult life, you know.
Here's a crazy thing. We've spent more time together outside of America than actually in America. So that's it for San Jose, huh?
It's nice. It's nice. Don't get me wrong, but you need the money to live there. And the family. I didn't have any family up there, so it's kind of lonely.
This is so exciting. I've always wanted to do this ever since I was a little kid. This is so cool. Sneak eating strawberries in a field. Should really wash them. Oh my god, there's so many in here, guys, that they're just like they just rot away like this. See? They're just like oozing and rotting, but I'll eat them anyways. Don't do that, actually. Wow. So I think our bucket is relatively full, so what we need to do now is fill our stomachs. So just eat away, please. You have to eat away.
I'm not gonna eat it.
I don't care if it's dirty.
What the heck I do?
Vô bụng ăn hết chứ gì trùng trong bụng quá chừng rồi còn muốn gì nữa.
You didn't pick at all. You just ate.
I ate and I picked.
Yeah, you ate it. You picked it and you put it in your stomach.
Ăn khế trái vàng.
Okay, chow down.
So it's like we were ăn dâu mà không có vàng gì hết. So how was that experience?
That's fun.
Yeah, it was fun, right? Yeah, we should do it more often. This is just like old times. We're in
Yes.
foreign lands almost.
Just eating.
You know, just eating in front of the camera in a foreign land. The thing about Valerie is that each time I see her, I don't know when the next time will be because we're often never in the same place. I don't think we've actually lived in the same city before because you were gone when I moved back,
No.
right? And now
Yeah,
that I'm
I'm-
back, now she's gonna
gone.
move back and maybe I'm gonna leave, so that's the thing. And that's with me and many other people in my life. And that's the worst thing about it is they come, you pick strawberries with them, and then they leave and they take most of the more delicious baked goods with them. Do I dress better now?
Way better. Way better. But it's not about the looks.
Thank you, Kagi boy.
Well, you've always been patient, but I feel like now you actually are willing to be patient with people. Before, it was just like, oh, because we're strangers, I have to be considerate. But now you actually care and you're like, okay, I'll wait for her. Or I'll wait for whoever you're traveling with and just care more.
Well, how do you know? You haven't traveled with me in a long
Well,
time.
it
so how
seems
do you
like,
know?
well, we've been traveling for the past like 2, 3, 4 hours. 2 hours. And the other day.
I'm only polite with you because I know you're leaving, so I know you're gonna go away soon. So.
And you're not in a rush. Before, he was
Before,
always
yeah.
in a rush to do stuff, like to take pictures, to record, and he was not enjoying the moment.
Right, right.
Now you're actually enjoying the strawberries.
Now
you're
I'm
actually eating the
Well, but I was
strawberries.
still filming and I was still eating.
Yeah.
But now, because there's less emphasis
Pressure and stuff.
on like making daily videos or making any videos, really, I didn't have to make this video, but I wanted to, and because of that, I enjoy my life more, right? And I'm much happier. Right. I was happy too. I mean, I was happy making videos for everybody to watch and stuff like that. That brings me a lot of joy. I mean, like getting recognized in the morning and stuff like that.
that was a big deal to me, right? Like, I'm still relevant. People still watch me, but at times though, I'm happy that I get to enjoy my own life at times and not have to always bring the camera. Ironically, there is a camera and we're talking to it right now. Okay, let's get out of here.
I know, but it wasn't like before. I had to wait for him to like record a video, and it was just like I was sweating in the hot sun, and he was just like, "Can we just do one more shot, one more shot?" It was very tiring.
The weather is just better.
Yeah.
That's all. That's all.
On to the next.
Okay, so now we're actually not going shopping, but there's something very special up here that I wanted to show you that not many people know about, but it's one of my favorites in here, and it's right there. Yeah. So we are on the top level of the supermarket here. It's a supermarket. Here we are. This amazing food court. Oh, lao bò nhúng giấm. Wow, they got so many dishes, guys. They got everything. They got hủ tiếu here. They got the miso yong here. Of course, we came here for this, the fish. Fermented mắm nêm.
Mắm nêm.
Hả?
Mắm nêm.
Mắm nêm.
Mắm nêm. Mắm nêm. Mắm nêm. I'm ripping them off.
It's a great deal, right? It's a great deal. Ngon rất ngon, cái gì cũng ngon mà chứ. Cái gì cũng ngon.
Bự quá vậy? Bự quá.
Bự quá hả? Trời ơi,
Size small cho bự quá vậy?
tại vì nhiều khi cá nó về nó một rợn vậy đó, chứ nó nhỏ đủ, nhưng mà mình vẫn là ngon.
This place, guys, is the best fish deal in the entirety of Southern California. Especially Cadu, it's the best. It's the cheapest. It's the most delicious. They open pretty late. Very convenient to Bolsa, smack dab in the heart of Little Saigon. You just have to know where to go, and I really, really recommend it. If there's anything I could recommend this place.
So full.
Yeah, it could probably feed 3 people. Ganu, Yazong, Saigon. Yeah, I love this place. Check it out, guys. If you're in Little Saigon, highly recommend it.
Goodbye.
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 Good luck.
I don't need it.
See you when I see you. Bye.
We're just like
Bye.
a few months later.
Yeah, we'll see you. Well, no, who knows? Few months, few years, who knows? Take care.
We
yeah?
will.
Goodbye. That's it. I said goodbye, and it's always sad to see somebody you haven't seen in a while, and all those old memories kind of rush back, and then you have to say goodbye, and I don't know what I'm gonna see her next, and it's okay, but I'm happy that life is progressing for the both of us, and I can't wait to see what's gonna happen with our lives in the next year or two. I'm very excited for what's in store for Valerie, and I wish her nothing but good luck. As always, if you want to see what I'm doing, feel free to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat for more up-to-date information and tidbits. I'm sorry I haven't been able to make more videos like I want to, but I appreciate you guys watching, I really do, and I appreciate everybody who recognized me and see me in the street and say hello and stuff like that. I really, really appreciate it, Yeah, we'll see what happens in the next few weeks, the next few months, and stay tuned. And thank you again, and feel free to write me if there's anything. Feel free to write me. I'm here, and I'm just gonna wrap it up here. I'm thinking about doing a meet up in Southern California, probably Huntington Beach or somewhere, in this month or next month in July potentially, or maybe August. We'll see. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned to social media, and you'll be in the loop per se. Bye, guys. See you soon. Expect maybe more plant stuff coming up. Ooh. Oh, and tissue paper. Nice. Nice.
Oh my god.
Awesome.
So embarrassing.
I wouldn't call it tissue paper.
Nice. I appreciate that. Because that's like at least like 4 cents right there extra that we're getting. What a great deal. Wow. Love that. Thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem.
That's the best service. The best service. We get individually wrapped. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. There you go. Thank you. Oh, and tape. Yes. Yes. Awesome. Amazing. Okay, thank you.
Have a great
Thank you
day.
so much. Thank you. Wow, what great service.